Hey everyone, welcome back to our DIY Appliance Fixes channel. If you're dealing with the Whirlpool F1E1 error code on your washer, dryer, or oven, you're in the right place. This pesky error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is the F1E1 error? In Whirlpool appliances, this code typically signals a problem with the electronic control board. It often points to issues like communication failures between the board and other components, or sometimes a faulty EEPROM chip that's storing settings. If your machine is beeping or displaying this code, it's basically saying, hey, something's not right with my brain. Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error can pop up due to a power surge that zapped the control board, loose wiring connections from wear and tear, or even moisture getting into the electronics. Older appliances are more susceptible, so if your Whirlpool model is a few years old, that might be a factor. Environmental issues, like humidity in your laundry room, could also play a role. Alright, time for the solutions. Start with the easiest fix. Unplug your appliance from the wall for at least 5 minutes. This performs a hard reset and might clear the error code right away. Once you plug it back in, run a test cycle to see if the problem persists. If that doesn't work, you'll need to get a bit hands-on. Open up the appliance, consult your user manual for safety, and check for any loose wires connected to the control board. Secure them if needed, but be careful not to touch any live parts. If you spot any burn marks or corrosion on the board, that could be the culprit, and you might need to replace it. For more advanced fixes, like reprogramming or replacing the control board, it's best to call in a professional technician. They have the tools and expertise to handle it safely. Remember, always prioritize your safety. Work with the power off and wear protective gloves if you're tinkering. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that F1E1 error and get your Whirlpool appliance running smoothly again. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.